Dia de los Muertos.
Oh, muertos. Motherfucking pendejos.
You crashed my Jambox, Holmes. And you know what? I'm riding 24-inch chrome. And your bitch one day I'm gonna bone. And you're gonna find yourself at home alone. ¿A qué hora y cuándo es la fiesta?
Got that motherfucker in my fucking phone. I'm a sapo, call me motherfucking tequila mon. Pendejo, puerto, poquito, chicken on the rice. I got that shit, and I'm not very nice. I don't know.
Cheese and chicken taquito.
Taquito, motherfucking taquito.
¿Dónde es la fiesta?
Get the margarito and the fucking chinchilla. Chimichanga, motherfucking ganja. Got that big old shit like I got the piranhas.
Say, bro, can I hit your fucking pillow? Chill out, nigga. Tranquilo. Por favor, do you have any more? Because if you don't, then I guess I'll hit the door at 4. I'm fucking on your whore. But I wanna know, bitch, cause she is a bore. And you know what? I'm gonna score. I win every day. The game is mine.
Call me that horse, and I got 3 letters, H-O-R. That's a whore, yeah. Got the Marlboro packs. That's the Gucci Adidas. Got the Glock on my side. Don Vito at my real life, yeah. Dirty stuff trap beat, that's what we call it when you got that big beat. About 16. Sasquatch. Fuck Sasquatch?
Let's see what this one is.